Before making any purchase, especially when considering a product like DAWNECXE Innovation PTE, it's essential to do your research. There are a few key things you need to know that will help you determine if this product is the right fit for you, especially when compared to similar solutions in the market. Stick around till the end, because I'm going to share some insights you won't want to miss. The first thing you should know is how DAWNECXE Innovation PTE stands out in terms of pricing. When compared to competitors, this platform often offers a more accessible entry point for new users with fewer upfront costs. While some competitors might lock you into long-term contracts or higher fees, DAWNECXE gives you more flexibility, including a completely free trial option. If you're on the fence about investing, this is a big benefit. You can try it out without committing, which isn't always the case with similar products. Next thing to consider is the user experience. DAWNECXE Innovation PTE is designed with ease of use in mind. From the moment you start using it, you'll notice the intuitive interface that allows for a seamless experience. Compared to other products, some of which can feel clunky or overwhelming, DAWNECXE offers a much cleaner, more accessible design. Whether you're tech savvy or not, this product makes it easy to get started right away. The third thing you need to know is the feature set. DAWNECXE Innovation PTE offers a comprehensive range of tools that are powerful yet user-friendly. It combines features that are often seen as separate in other software packages, which is a huge advantage. For example, whereas some competitors might require additional integrations or plugins to offer the same level of functionality, DAWNECXE keeps everything in one platform. This means less hassle for you and more streamlined workflows. Now, let's talk about customer support. This is a huge deal. With DAWNECXE Innovation PTE, you're not just buying software, you're getting access to a support team that really knows their stuff. They provide fast, reliable assistance whenever you need it, which is crucial. A lot of similar services skimp on support, leaving you in the dark when problems arise. But DAWNECXE excels in providing ongoing, accessible customer care that can resolve issues quickly, giving you peace of mind. The fifth thing to keep in mind is scalability. If you're growing or looking to expand, DAWNECXE Innovation PTE offers great scalability options that most of its competitors don't. It adapts as your needs change, whether you're looking to increase user capacity, integrate with other systems, or take on more data. Many products out there may offer limited scalability without high upgrade costs, but DAWNECXE offers more flexibility and growth potential over time. Next, let's look at security. Data protection is a top priority with DAWNECXE Innovation PTE. You get all the latest security features, including encryption and compliance with major industry standards. In comparison to other tools on the market, where data security is often an afterthought, DAWNECXE ensures your information stays safe. This is a key factor if you're handling sensitive information or managing business-critical tasks through the platform. The last thing to note is the community and ecosystem. DAWNECXE has developed a robust user community, which is incredibly valuable when you need advice, tutorials, or feedback. When comparing this to other products, many don't offer the same level of interaction, leaving users to fend for themselves. Whether it's forums, online guides, or webinars, the DAWNECXE ecosystem makes it easy to tap into resources that can help you use the product to its full potential. So, there you have it. 7 critical things you need to know about DAWNECXE Innovation PTE before buying. But here's the best part. If you're ready to try it out, click the first link in the description below to access the best offer available, including a free trial with exclusive benefits. This is a limited time opportunity, so don't wait.